Good morning, everyone. Today we'll discuss one of the very important theories of motivation, that is Maslow's need hierarchy theory. Maslow's need hierarchy theory of motivation is propounded by a very famous American psychologist, Abraham Maslow. Now, before discussing what the theory is all about, let us first understand the term motivation. Motivation is something which comes from within, right? Motivation kya hai? It is something which comes from within. There has to be some unsatisfied need or some unsatisfied desire within us which we want to fulfill. हमारे अंदर कोई ऐसी हमारी अनसेटिस्फाइड नीड या कोई ऐसी अनसेटिस्फाइड डिज़ायर विच मोटिवेट्स अस टू फुलफिल दैट desire or to fulfill that need is termed as motivation. Now, what are need? Need is something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. Need क्या है? Need वो ज़रूरतें हैं which helps us in living a healthy life. As per Maslow, each one of us have a hierarchy of needs that ranges from lower to higher level. As lower needs are fulfilled, there is a tendency for other higher needs to emerge. Maslow ने explain किया है कि every individual has a hierarchy of needs. हर किसी की लाइफ में देर इज़ अ हायरार्की ऑफ नीड्स विच द इंडिविजुअल वॉन्ट्स टू फुलफिल दैट रेंजेस फ्रॉम लोअर टू हायर लेवल. जैसे ही हमारी लोअर लेवल नीड्स फुलफिल होती हैं वी मूव टूवर्ड्स द फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ द हायर लेवल नीड्स. लोअर नीड्स हैव गॉट हाई प्रायोरिटी देन हायर लेवल नीड्स. जो लोअर लेवल नीड्स हैं उनकी प्रायोरिटी हमारी लाइफ में सबसे ज़्यादा है एज़ कम्पेयर टू द हायर लेवल नीड्स. Why? Let's take up an example. If we talk of a human being, we want the basic necessities of life first. That is, we strive for food, we strive for clothing, we strive for shelter. The moment we are able to fulfill these needs, we move towards the other higher level needs. So lower level needs have got high priority, high level of importance in our life than the higher level needs. What are needs? As we had discussed earlier also, need is something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. Need वो ज़रूरत है जो हमें help करती है to live a healthy and a happy life. Deficiency would cause a negative outcome. अगर हमारी ज़रूरतें पूरी नहीं हुई सही समय पर, so it will have certain negative outcomes. और वो negative outcomes क्या हो सकते हैं? They can be low self confidence, low self worth and low self esteem. वो नेगेटिव आउटकम्स हो सकते हैं लो लेवल ऑफ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, हमारा आत्मविश्वास कम होगा. लो सेल्फ वर्थ, हमें अपने बारे में अच्छा फील नहीं होगा. वी विल फील वर्थलेस अबाउट आवर सेल्फ. अगर हम अपनी इच्छाएं, अगर हम अपनी ज़रूरतें पूरी नहीं कर पाए, सो वी विल फील लो अबाउट आवर सेल्फ. So the lack of fulfillment of the needs will lead to negative outcomes, and they can be low self confidence, low self esteem and low self worth. Now, needs are of two types. The very first category of needs are objective needs. Objective needs क्या हैं? Objective needs are the basic primary needs that are required for survival by any human being. They are what? They are the basic primary needs which are required for survival. That is food, clothing and shelter. Need for food, need for clothing and need for shelter. The moment we fulfill the basic necessities of life, the moment we fulfill our basic needs, we move towards the second category of needs, that is known as subjective needs. Subjective needs include need for affection, need for acceptance and need for self-esteem. People should accept us in the society. People should love us around in the society. That means those who are around us should love us. We should feel worthy about ourselves. We should feel confident about ourselves. So these are few needs which are known as subjective needs. Maslow has given a pyramid. He has given a hierarchy that is displayed as a pyramid. The lowest level of pyramid are made up of most basic needs, while more complex needs are at the top. Maslow ने एक hierarchy describe करी है needs की, जिसमें basic needs are stated at the lower level and the complex needs are stated at the other higher levels. So first level is physiological needs, then we move towards safety needs, then we move towards social needs or belonging needs, then we move towards esteem needs, and the last level of need is self-actualization need. Let us discuss these needs one by one. With the help of this example, you will be able to understand or you will get a clear picture that what these needs are. The lower level need, that is physiological need, includes need for air, need for food, need for shelter, need for sleep, etc. That is basic necessities of life which are required for survival. The moment we are able to fulfill these needs, we want our other needs to be fulfilled, that is safety needs, that is need for security. Need for security can be personal security, it can be financial security, it can be health and well-being, it can be safety against accidents or security against accidents, it can be any kind of safety or security which we want in our life. We want our life to be safe and secure. The moment these needs are fulfilled, we move to the third level of needs, that is social needs. Now social needs comprises of love, affection, need for love, need for family association, right? Social needs में क्या क्या चीज़ें आएंगी? Need for love, need for family associations, need for belongingness to a group, need for friendship, need for relationships. The moment we are able to fulfill these needs, we move to the fourth level of needs, that is esteem needs. Now esteem needs includes need for status. We want to have high status in the society, need for achievement, need for recognition. People should recognize our achievements. We should enjoy high reputation in the society. We should have a lot of achievements. So need for achievement, need for status, need for reputation, need for recognition. These all comprises under the fourth level of needs, that is known as esteem needs. Now the last category of needs comes out to be self-actualization need, that is personal growth and fulfillment. Self-actualization is that stage of need wherein a person feels towards, a person wants to attain personal growth, or a person strives towards personal fulfillment. These needs are never fully satisfied, right? The moment we are at the self-actualized position, we want more. We want more opportunities to grow. We want more challenges. We want more uh, growth. We want more personal growth. We want personal fulfillment. So this kind of need is never ever fully satisfied. So we have one by one understood. The very first category of need was physiological need, that is basic needs, which includes need for food, shelter, clothing, sleep, etc. The moment we are able to satisfy these needs, we move to the second level of need, that is safety needs, that is need for protection, need for security, need for stability. Then after that comes out to be social needs, that is need for love, need for affection, need for relationships, need for belongingness. After that, the fourth level of need comes out to be esteem needs, which includes need for achievement, need for status, need for responsibility, and need for reputation. And the last level of need is self-actualization needs. Let us understand in detail what are physiological needs. Physiological needs are the most basic needs that are vital for survival. ये वो ज़रूरतें हैं, ये वो requirements हैं which are essential or which are important for the survival of the human being. That is need for food, need for water, need for shelter, need for clothing and need for rest. इन ज़रूरतों को पूरे करे बिना हम अपनी लाइफ को नहीं गुजार सकते. We cannot survive without these requirements. We cannot survive without these things. So they comes out to be the basic necessities of life. They are known as the basic necessities of life. They are known as physiological need. The moment these needs are satisfied, we move towards the second category of need, that is safety needs. Once physiological needs are met, one's attention turns to safety and security. In order to be free from physical and emotional harm, such needs are fulfilled by living in a safe area, having medical insurance, job security, etc. जैसे ही हमारी फिजियोलॉजिकल नीड्स पूरी होती हैं, हमें क्या चीज़ चाहिए अपनी लाइफ में? वी वांट सेफ्टी नीड्स. वी वांट आवर सेफ्टी नीड्स टू बी फुलफिल्ड. दैट इज़ वी शुड हैव अ सेफ प्लेस टू लिव. वी शुड have medical insurance, we need job security, we need protection, we need stability, we need financial security, we need personal security. So these are known as safety needs. As soon as our safety needs are met, we individuals move automatically and we strive automatically towards the next category of need, that is social need. Social need include need for friendship, need for family and need for intimacy. Once a person meets lower level needs, then higher level needs awaken. जैसे ही हमारी बेसिक ज़रूरतें पूरी हुई, कौन सी दो बेसिक ज़रूरतें? दैट इज़ फिजियोलॉजिकल नीड एंड सेफ्टी नीड. वी मूव टू द हायर लेवल ऑफ नीड, दैट इज़ social need. The first level of higher level needs are the social needs. These includes need to be loved and need to love, belongingness to a group and acceptance. नाउ व्हाट इज़ नीड टू लव एंड बी लव? लोग हमें प्यार करें सोसाइटी में और हम दूसरों को प्यार करें, लोग हमें एक्सेप्ट करें. वी शुड हैव फ्रेंडशिप ग्रुप्स, वी शुड हैव सोशल ग्रुप्स, राइट? पीपल शुड लव अस इन द सोसाइटी, पीपल शुड गिव due respect to us in the society, people should accept us in the society. Nobody can live alone. Man is a social animal, so we want acquaintances, we want friendship, we want groups to survive. So this need is fulfilled after the two basic needs are met out, that is physiological needs and safety needs. After meeting out with the safety needs, people move towards the third level of need. They are known as social needs. After meeting the social needs, we move towards the fourth category of need, that is esteem needs. Once a person feel a sense of belonging, the need to feel important arises. जैसे ही लोगों ने हमें सोसाइटी में एक्सेप्ट करना स्टार्ट किया, we want importance from them, we strive for importance from the members of the society. Esteem needs include need to be respected by others and in turn respect them. लोग हमारी इज्जत करें समाज में और हम उनकी इज्जत करें. नीड फॉर स्टेटस, नीड फॉर रिकग्निशन, लोग हमें रिकग्नाइज करें. नीड टू बी फेमस, हम फेमस हो जाएं, लोग हमें पहचानें. नीड फॉर प्रेस्टीज, नीड फॉर हायर सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, नीड फॉर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. लोगों के नज़र में हमारी इज्जत हो, हमारा नाम हो सोसाइटी में, हमारे अचीवमेंट्स को रिकग्नाइज किया जाए, हमारा हाई स्टेटस हो और लोग हमारी इज्जत करें. दे आर नोन एज एस्टीम नीड्स. एस्टीम नीड्स अराइजेज ओनली आफ्टर द फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ द थर्ड कैटेगरी ऑफ नीड, दैट इज़ सोशल नीड. जैसे ही हमारी थर्ड लेवल ऑफ नीड पूरी होंगी, वैसे ही ये नीड्स जनरेट होना स्टार्ट हो जाएं. एस्टीम नीड्स में क्या क्या आता है? लेट्स हैव अ क्विक रिविजन. दैट इज़ नीड टू बी रिस्पेक्टेड बाय अदर्स एंड इन टर्न रिस्पेक्ट देम. लोग हमारी इज्जत करें और हम दूसरों की इज्जत करें. वी शुड बी रिकग्नाइज इन द सोसाइटी, हमारे अचीवमेंट्स को रिकग्निशन मिले. वी शुड बी फेमस, लोग हमें पहचाने, हमारे काम से हमें पहचाने. वी शुड बी रिकग्नाइज, वी शुड बी एक्सेप्टेड इन द सोसाइटी. After fulfilling the esteem needs, the last level of need comes out to be need for self-actualization. Self-actualization means personal growth. That is realizing your full potential, finding fulfillment. This is known as self-actualization. It is reaching one's full potential as a person. These needs are never fully satisfied. Self-actualization needs are never fully satisfied. Self-actualization is reaching one's full potential. This need is never fully satisfied. As one grows, there are always new opportunities to continue to grow. जैसे जैसे हम अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, we want more opportunities. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज हम अपनी लाइफ में we are successful, so there is a full stop after this. No, we want more new opportunities, we want more growth, because at this phase our confidence level is at the highest. So we want more new opportunities. So these kind of needs are never fully satisfied. Self-actualizing people are self-aware. ये वो लोग हैं, इस कैटेगरी में वो लोग आते हैं जो सेल्फ अवेयर हैं. दे आर कंसर्न विद पर्सनल ग्रोथ, लेस कंसर्न विद ओपिनियंस ऑफ अदर्स. जैसे ही हम इस स्टेट में पहुंच जाएंगे, हमें परवाह नहीं है कि लोग हमारे बारे में क्या ओपिनियन रखते हैं, लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. वी आर जस्ट कंसर्न अबाउट आवर सेल्स, वी आर जस्ट कंसर्न अबाउट आवर पर्सनल ग्रोथ. सो दीज आर 5 levels of need. The very first need is physiological need, which includes the basic necessities of life, that is food, clothing and shelter. After fulfilling these needs, we move to the second category of need, that is safety need. That is need for security, need for personal security, need for safety, need for medical safety, need for financial security. After meeting safety and security needs, we strive for social needs. We want friendship, need for groups, need for belongingness, need for acceptance in the society. After fulfilling the social needs, we move towards the next category of need, that is esteem needs. We want respect in the society. Esteem needs include self-respect, need for achievement, need for recognition. People should recognize us. We should have high reputation in the society. Our achievements should be recognized in the society. People should give us attention. After meeting self-esteem needs, the next and the last level of need comes out to be self-actualization need. They are also known as self-fulfillment need. As per Abraham Maslow, every person has 5 basic needs. This is a quick summary of whatever we have talked about. As for physiological need for food, clothing, shelter and other basic physical needs necessary for survival. Second category includes safety needs, that is desire for security, stability. Social needs include need to interact with others, need to have friendship, need to be loved, need to feel wanted by others. Esteem needs include need for status, need for recognition, need for achievement, need for prestige. And self-actualization need include the desire to reach one's full potential by becoming everything one is capable of becoming. जो हम बनना चाहते हैं वो हम बने अपनी लाइफ में, and the desire to reach one's full potential. जितना हमारे अंदर caliber है, we should explore the caliber to the fullest. Thank you.